Welcome to MedTalk. In this video, we'll show you how to turn one consultation into different types of clinical reports, create a new report format, switch between saved reports, and report any issue directly inside the platform. If you need the same info presented differently, click the Add New Report drop-down menu above, pick a different format. The AI will instantly reprocess the existing transcript and churn out the new report type right there on the screen. You retain full control, edit the transcription, or refine the report. You have total flexibility. Don't stress about losing the first report when you switch to a second one. You can go back anytime to grab the SOAP note or any other version you created during the session. Please note that the transcription and generated reports will be destroyed after 24 hours. Report clinical issue feature lets clinicians quickly flag concerns in AI-generated reports, helping improve quality and patient safety. After generating a report, click Report Clinical Issue next to Copy to open a dialog box and share details about the concern. First, select a category: omission, hallucination, factual inaccuracy, diagnosis, other. Next, select the appropriate severity: mild, serious, life-threatening, other. Then enter a brief description of the issue you've identified. This information helps our team investigate the concern more effectively. Once you've completed all fields, click Submit Feedback. Your report will be securely sent to MedTalk Support with a confirmation email sent to your registered address. With MedTalk, a single consultation can generate multiple clinical reports. You stay in control of every format, every report, and every issue you flag. MedTalk, clinical documentation made easier.